All right, class, we are going to start in the back of our notebook today, but before we go there, can you tell me which do we use in however? All right, if you remember what we use in ever, part of our compound word, it's the same one. What is it, class? Good, the of her. Let's go back to page 74. All right, find your, let's see, we're pretty close to filling up our first the of her column. When we fill this up, we'll go over here, but we'll finish this one first. So find your next free line. All right, make sure you find the syllables in however first. And, ooh, which ow do we use in how? All right, good. That ow is ow, oh. All right, go ahead and write and mark however. All right, and let's check it. All right, let's see. Now we'll, let's see, I think we can put this on our ease. I think we have a place on our ease page for the next word I wanted us to do. Let me check. Oh gosh, we don't have a place on our ease page for our EI. We say EI, but we write IE. All right, so we can't write that back there. Rats. That's okay. Let's see if we have it up on page 5 if we have anything written in there yet, because oh, ha, ha. All right, let's go to page 5, class. All right, let's see if you don't have any phonograms written in, or if you don't have this one, let's see, go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8th line. You'll be right below the one with 3 spots and write in your EI. EI, we say EI, but we write IE. All right, now we don't have, or I don't have anything yet for the first sound. All right, so if you don't have anything written in for the first sound of EI, we're going to write believe there. Believe. All right, so our first syllable is just an open syllable. And make sure you add in your silent final E, job 2. English words do not end with B, so we add a silent final E. All right, good. Believe. All right. Well, now we'll just go to our lessons page. I believe we're on page 50 now. Yes. All right, page 50. And this is going to be up at the top left-hand corner, L-5. L-5. Oops, you can't really tell that that's an L because it goes all the way down to the baseline. I'll just make it a little short. All right. Okay, class, our first word is build. How do we say build to spell it? Good, we say boo-ild. Boo-ild. All right, so go ahead and write and mark boo-ild. All right, our next word is building. How do we say building to spell it? Good, we say boo-ilding again. So go ahead and write and mark boo-ilding on the next line. And pause the video if you're not finished. All right, our next word is built. How do we say built to spell it? Good, that we have to say boo-ilt. Boo-ilt. So write that. All right, class, our next word is believe. Which E do we use in the second syllable of believe? Right, because we have an E in the first syllable of believe, but in our second syllable, it's E-I. We say E-I, but we write I-E. All right, pause the video if you haven't finished it yet. Believe. All right, our next word is action. Class, how do we say action to spell it? Good, action. Action. And which sh do we use in action? Good, we use sh, tall letter sh, used at the beginning of syllables after the first one. All right, let's check it. All right, our last word is however. That one is, oh, what kind of word is that? The one that's made up of two different words? All right, good, it's a compound word. And which ow do we use in how? All right, good, we use ow, o. All right, let's check our word. All right, nice job with that, class. I'm just gonna check one other thing up at the front of our notebook. All right, I'm gonna go to page 4 quickly. All right, now for our ow, o, I already have something written in for the first sound. If you don't have brown or a different word written in right here, go ahead and write how. All right. All right, class, I'm going to give you one sentence today and you get to make up one of your own. All right, our first sentence is, she built a building. She built a building. All right, so we're going to have to remember our two-way words there, how we say them to spell them. Class, what's our sentence? Good, she built a building. So write that, put your pencil down, read it, check it. Make sure it is a complete sentence. All right, after you've checked that sentence, go ahead and use one of your words today. It can be one of the words that we use in that sentence or a different one, but choose at least one of the spelling words and write your own sentence. After you've written it, check it. Make sure it is complete. Class, nice work today. I will see you tomorrow.